Hmm. How does this look? I need a light. I need a light. I can feel the face just to see. What's good? It's your boy Ligma Panete I was able to dance for Fagati in Chondolo. Eish. Wait, let me put on my cap. Ngathi screw nayo manje hey abendaba mfethu yeah this is proper abamanje endaba ogqoka ikhondom enkhandeni njengalo. What's good, people? Sawona Nosipho, how you doing? Hey Julia. What song would I want you to play?
Shawty trying to get crying.
I'm live, by the way.
Huh?
I'm live, by the way.
Oh, shit, my bad.
Yes, Sheila, I am funny hip hop. I'm fun piano, funny hip hop right now. I piano all the time. Do you listen to the callers?
Yeah. Let me put you on.
Play lo-fi. Bathi flexi. Unjani sweetheart? Ngiyaphila Nosipho njani? OMI. What is OMI? Hey, royalty. So shaya izinto engazazi manje. Hotel lobby. You're back in Joburg. Kind of cool. Anything? See, see something. Let me see. Someone ninja, no. What's up? What you say? Zulu's bad, bruh. Try. Show good man. What the Air Force Jayami. Air Force no moya, no ma engana moya dog. Khetha lokuthanda ukuthengela nje. Plans for the weekend, I don't know. I just ngihamba ngomoya man, bro. Check your messages on WhatsApp. You didn't send me anything on WhatsApp. It was nice seeing you last weekend. Shout out. Hopefully I see you guys again. Or go to Blanco again. That's what I'm saying. Khathele, liberations, anti-condemnism, angena moya ngiyacela. Shout out to Flex. What's goody? What's goody Woody? Your Woody is goody.
Imnandi.
You should drop some more. I post 2 times a day, and you want me to drop more interviews? Bro, I drop 3 times a day. You want me to drop more interviews? Ngangela manje. Angiyela Yo, 219 people here, and 220 able with the halani was going on. Mina. Yes, because they are nice. Unjani mngani wami ngiyaphila Kim Kardashian bathi lapho. You're good. But where's everyone at today? A lot of you guys are just home. And pull me, don't you guys enjoy yourselves? Like Nisopa. How many interviews do you normally do in one night? I do like 3. But the editing is what takes time. So imagine now, I come back from club, I'm tired, I'm drunk, and I must edit. And then someone says I must drop more interviews. Let a nigga take a break. I'm gonna buy my Christmas clothes for you and send me. Whoa, ungadlali ngama Christmas clothes ngiyawadinga yazi. Yes, we are sober, just like you. Can't confirm and deny, you know what I'm saying? What if I'm on that flying fish? Uyakwazi ukuyidedelana. Look, do you stay alone in your apartment? Yeah, but right now I'm at Flex's apartment. Oh, do I stay alone in my apartment? No, I don't. I have roommates. Flex stays alone in his apartment. I'll operate. I'll operate in at Eden since you in Jersey. Jayami. If you can make it work, make it work. Shock first. I'm in Durban. There's no shock fest. It's a call in Jaya. There's no shock fest in Ecuador. So unfortunately, no. Flow back. You know what's the bad thing, eh? I'm bad at reading. Some of you guys are bad at writing. That combo is not okay. You know what I'm saying? Please say my name. Lamkelani. Lamkelani. The VHS moment concerts quoted. Please do more. I tried posting the VHS ones on TikTok. TikTok was like, no boy, too explicit. So I'm just gonna post them on my Facebook and my Instagram. Zikipane Chopek before I leave. When ufuna ukwenzani? Umbuzo, that's the right question. When ufuna ukwenzani? Yo, I love your videos. Shout out Elihle Ngiyabonga. Thank you, you made my nights. Damn. Me saying your name made your nights. Imagine if I sent you money. How crazy would that be? Yes. Okay. So I've only got like 7% on this phone right now. So definitely ends up. You find a game now. So I want us to play a game. Wait, let me see if I should join people. I haven't joined people in a while. Who's this? Wait, guys want to battle people. I love Manchester City. Same. Atlanta in boogie ball.
Kodwa process engiphazamisana. Well,
Keren ngalam.
ngiyacabanga ukuthi khona process engiphazamisana ngiyabona nje.
Nato ngikhathele cabanga mfethu. Ngisacabanga ukuthi ngizothini mfethu, ingqondo ngisaprocess ukuthi izothini. Angangazi.
Usasegoli.
Futhi awungihlala khona nje manje dog. Wala manje.
Selolika ama-balls ngale egoli.
Sewenini isikhathi senoku-operator lapho. Mina ngipholile.
Hayi ngiyahamba nami isek. Khathele nini ngijoyini.
Kanjani manje ufika dog? Hamba kanjani ufika? You just got into the space usuyahamba.
Ngizonishiya nami ayingeke.
Uyashiya noma uyasijoyina?
Yini manje le?
Ama-2 gems.
Into ifake lapha egoli le.
Ukuthanda izinto mfethu.
Ngiyabanga wena abantu bami ngala bathi hey so wawucasuka kabi ufuna ibhubezi.
Kanjani?
So ufuna ibhubezi kabi wena.
Ngafuna ibhubesi kanjani?
La ufuna begift ibhubezi kabi.
Bayingifte.
Yeah, uthi ebo bafethu uyena washo njalo ulikma. Ndoda wazifuna ibhubesi la.
Oh ngiyafuna. Ngithi ukhuluma ngobhubesi ngiyafuna nje abibu. Mali ngaka. Uyadlala wena.
Uthi okay. Uthi umbuzo wami unqoma nani ukuthi bekunikeza ibhubesi la TikTok if udlala imatch noma bekuthumelela imali yebhubesi eceleni.
Adlala imatch.
You understand ukuthi badlala imatch TikTok is going to take like 50%, 60% of the amount.
Okusalayo leli bhobesi lizovela la and kuzoba mnandi.
Ibhubesi 500, it's 11,500. Nah, listen, dog, listen, wait, let me explain. Unabantu abancane, by the way, please.
Nami nginabantu bancane bangazi lapha.
About 40.
About 70. Kodwa uyangihlula banemali abantu bakho. Abami bayalwa. Yabo khona abantu nje ngiyabonga for ama gift. Ngiyaqala ukuthola ama gift kulela kanje. Labantu abathanda ukugift afethu angazi indaba kodwa ngiyaappreciate lo nayo.
Manje wenza njani mfethu? Manje wenza njani? Are you staying in an apartment?
Yeah, mfethu ngise-apartment
Ngiyabonga ro. Cause ngabona i-status sa-G actually ukuthi useGoli. I thought maybe you went there for a stream or whatever. Cause ngabona i-status sa-G eposted W League ma.
La sengihlala khona yini manje le mpahla? Kwavela u-Ice nje wenzakalani?
Cole Palmer, you losing.
Manje bangifaka ngo-Ice manje.
You losing.
Ngiyabona ukuthi ngiyashawa kubheka nje 57.
Yeah, it's amaguthumela amalele ndoda manje.
Afethu nabantu bayayehla awu Nkosi yami yazi ukuluza ama-barrels ngithanda.
Mina maguthumela amalele ndoda. Kukuthi nje ungithole kabi nami.
Ngina makhuthumela. Thank you for the 30 yo. Ayinangizama yo. Yini makhuthumela?
Like people that actually have, coins to give to you.
Oh, nimzile bafethu labantu abawu-40 ngale uthi anina coins ukugifta. Mina abantu bami nina ama-coins okugifta ngiyanithemba.
But am I lying though? Listen, am I lying? Because akekho umuntu ogifta. Am I lying?
Bayazama ngalana ngiya-appreciate mina.
Boy, mina ngizodlala listen. Ngizodlala noRava mfethu a proper match Sunday.
Nigel, bani?
Ngithi mina. Yeah, ngizodlala noRava.
Athi uzowina uRava. Inja kakhulu. Wofmalanga.
Ithe ngisho ukuthi ngadlala naye bafaka ama-universe bafaka lezinto ekanje.
Yabo? Nemali yabethu. Esicompete nomuntu enemali Danko Nigel.
Abonye mfethu abantu mfethu ayingeke mfethu.
Azoke. Ashole yado. Hey. Awuswe. Night of carrying. Night, don't waste your money. I'm winning already. Don't waste your money, boy. I'm winning. Kuba ubandana manje. I'm the cold one now.
Oh, magdlala mina kuthiwa don't waste your money.
Yo, khona uthithina. Uthithina adamgcina yo. About Richard. Nah, I'm feeling good now. You know, right now I'm good. Uyabanda kodwa ndoda.
Azivete. Kulungile mfethu. Hayi kodwa vele yazi abantu abangagift asibekele for imatch enkulu Sunday.
Hawu sesho njalo meseshawa ngibona.
Yeah, vele mfethu. It was like more an experimental life, man. We just experimenting.
Uyamazi nomjito lo?
Sure.
Hola.
Amba kanjani?
Agren wena.
Oh. Yeah, ngiyambona kusiyena lo mjito lo owenza YouTube.
Yeah, so goody with the mood, you know what I'm saying?
Ubani?
Flex.
Oh, sunabangani baseGoli bafo.
Afethu. Ngaba nabangani yonke indawo dog. So my son Papa says hello.
Oh.
Nice says hello.
Oh, ngiyambona. Oh, ngiyambona mjita Flex.
Hello.
No, I care. Ngiyambona W Flex was good.
But us we never get invited. Chief, this was last minute. I don't have electricity. Anginaguess cabanga ekhaya dog. Ngangifike la.
Manje Ligma umjita wakho menze njani?
Uba muphi umthetho?
The one you were waiting la event leya. Ohamba naye complain ukuthi uyagodola wara.
Oh, apho usakhona eThekwini. Sasebenza mseThekwini. It's like my
Oh.
yeah.
So manje ngalapho uzothola omunye.
Yeah, I'm trying to do that.
Yeah. Ayikulungile ndoda. Mfethu vele besingazili ukuzowina. Silungisele imatch enkulu. It's a warm up. Kaizer Chiefs baba build up. Iya ku Nedbank final.
Ngabhayi Kaizer Chiefs.
Mocha
What song is this, man?
Hey, some. Hey. Let me change.
I'm chitong na iselo sondela.
Maskandi, must.
That definitely must come.
Maskandi,
Hey, baba. Put respect on my Maskandi. What's with my Maskandi there? There's a lace chip my tooth. Amahle njani? Usaphila? Tired of holding my phone up. Because someone doesn't have a tripod. I'll hit you when I'm by the pose. Where you now? Why are you not home, Helen Nature? Why you ngeke kaya sponono? Why are you doing, Mommy Traco? Conservations. Why are you not at home? Usakhona mfana waseGoli. Ngithanda ukuthi uaddressa ngegama lami ngempela mfana waseGoli. I'm only going back to the house next week. Why? VA. Right, my hand is sore.